Hey guys, I'm back in another video, and today we're going to be opening up this Hexbug controller. I've been trying to open it, trying to get a head start, because I always want to plan on making a video about it. So anyways, no, I don't need that. It'll just come right off. There we go. Yeah. Gotta get that little button on the inside and watch. Pow. Pow. You're breaking apart. Anyways, guys, here we go. Just got it open there for a second. There we go. All that came out is just this, and this to the top of this. Here we go. I'm gonna put that off to the side. But here's our main reason to go inside. Wow, would you look at that? Put that off to the side. Batteries are inside there. We'll put that off to the side as well. Okay, so bust this open. Take out the batteries. Anyways, guys, found my multi-tool. Forgot to tell you. If I ever told you guys that I lost it. Because I did, but I found it again. Okay, time to take out the batteries. Here's one of the batteries. What should I use? No, that ain't gonna work. But at least I got this far. I'm not gonna waste any more time on that. But anyways, guys, look at that. I got it. Open. Let me look at that. But yeah. Oh, thank you to my multi-tool. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Oh, and here's the stuff that I'm going to be smashing later. I got this, this. Anyways, guys, peace out.